All right, gotta start over. So we're out here today. They're putting Marvin April Cozy Acres. So we're out here today, and they're putting in the pipe for all of the spots. So you can see way over there, there's a stake, and there's gonna be, that's where our laundromat's gonna be. We're at a stopping point because as they were going over to the far side, they were starting to encroach upon where our road's gonna be and where one of the trailers is gonna be. So we're gonna have to get the person, our engineer who drew up our plans, to change them and go from putting more pipe along there to putting pipe right here, which is supposed to be the dog park and the communal garden. So we're gonna have to get the pipes up, which is fine because it's still gonna be something that nobody can drive over, but we didn't want to take away from the fact that we have such a short amount of spots that we can get in here anyway. So we didn't want to take away from one of our spots, because right now we have 17 spots and that would put us down to 16, and so we don't really want to do that. So each one of these stakes right here, as you can see, is a spot where a trailer will go. So that's where the hookups will be. Each one of those, that's where the hookups will be, and then they can pull into the spot. And we're not going to put down any concrete or gravel or anything, because we want each one of the residents to have the availability of moving their trailer around. As long as they can get to the hookups, they can put it in long ways, or they can put it in you know, horizontal or vertical in within these trees, so that they can have the umbrella of these trees over their RV, so, or their tiny house. So we've also got, the plumbers are now at a stopping point. We've called our contact, and he's going to have to get with our engineer and get it redrawn, and then get it submitted over to Parker County and get it reapproved, and then we'll be back in business. So now the electricians excuse me, are over here digging the holes with a post hole digger and pouring the concrete and setting the poles that are going to have the main things attached to them, where you plug in your electric and you plug in your plumbing. So that's what's happening over here. I was looking in here earlier, and you can see how much rain we've gotten, which is why everybody wasn't out here earlier this week, because we kind of had to let it dry up a little bit, but we definitely got some rain. So they're over here digging these posts out, and looks like they got a plan. They're going to be digging out these today and tomorrow. So things are happening. Got a plan. It's a good plan. It's a big plan. It's a plan. So that's what's going on here. All right, so once again, Marvin and April, Cozy Acre. Be safe, be strong. We'll check in with you guys again once we know what's going on. We'll get a plan from Parker County, and hopefully we can move forward. Talk to you later.